So the day is ending here, and I didn't cross the river, but wow, I found myself this super beautiful spot for spend the evening. There is water nearby. I put my tent right here, and you have those two glaciers here and there starting. Those are two fantastic valleys, and maybe I'm going to explore that a little bit further tomorrow. Wow. Fresh, beautiful water that I can drink directly. It's nice. Very, very beautiful gift that I'm getting now from nature. Thank you again, and for once I won't be sleeping in the snow, and the temperature is even okay. So maybe I won't even be cold in the night. My feet are not freezing, they are not wet, and the peace and magic of here, this spot is just delicious. I think I'm going to have a nice night filled with beautiful dreams.